Alright, I am looking here at an amoeba, and I was very fortunate in seeing that this amoeba is feeding. You can see him extending a pseudopod around what I think is a chylomonas. These are little chylomonas to feed these organisms. We can see a lot of cytoplasmic streaming. Now he's actually closed that, and he's forming a little vesicle or vacuole there that's going to have the food particle in it, which he'll digest. We can also see cytoplasmic streaming into these pseudopods as he's crawling around.